Dear students, welcome to the lecture video on problems on Legendre linear differential equations. These equations are of the form a naught ax plus b whole power n d power n y by dx power n plus a1 ax plus b to the power of n minus 1 d power n minus 1 y by dx to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 ax plus b power n minus 2 d power n minus 2 y by dx power n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus a_ny equal to phi of x. These are the linear differential equations with variable coefficients. To solve these equations, we need to reduce them to linear differential equations with constant coefficients. For that, we are changing the independent variable x to new independent variable through the substitution t equal to logarithm of ax plus b or ax plus b is equal to e power t. Through this substitution, we observe that ax plus b into dy by dx becomes a into dy by dt. Okay, dy by dt coefficient is a, it is constant. Dy by dx coefficient is ax plus b, it is a variable, right? In this way we can convert, okay, the derivative with variable coefficient to derivative with constant coefficients. Similarly, ax plus b whole square d square over dx square becomes a square into d minus 1 into y, where d stands for d by dt. Ax plus b whole cube d cube y by dx cube equal to a cube into d minus 1 into d minus 2 into y, and so on. If we substitute these values into given Legendre linear differential equation, it turns to be a linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay, and we are familiar in solving the linear differential equations with constant coefficients. Now we'll see few problems on this. First one, solve x plus 1 whole square y double dash plus x plus 1 y dash plus y equal to 2 into sine of logarithm of x plus 1. Okay, this is the June-July 2019 question paper problem. Okay, we'll call the given equation as 1. No doubt, it is the second order Legendre linear differential equation. Okay, and to solve this equation, first we'll reduce it to LDE with constant coefficients. For that, I made a substitution. Put t equal to logarithm of x plus 1 or x plus 1 is equal to e power t. Through this substitution, okay, x plus 1 into y dash turns to be a dy. Okay, here because ax plus b, a value is equal to 1, b value is equal to 1. A into dy, a means 1, 1 into dy is dy, d is equal to d by dt. Similarly, x plus 1 whole square into y double dash equal to a square, means 1 square is 1 into d minus 1 into y, nothing but d into d minus 1 into y. Put these values into the equation 1. It takes the form, okay, x plus 1 whole square y double dash is d into d minus 1 into y plus x plus 1 into y dash is dy plus y as it is equal to 2 sine logarithm of x plus 1. Log of x plus 1 is t. Hence it is 2 sine t. Okay. We'll simplify this equation. D square minus d plus d of y plus 1 of y equal to 2 sine t. Plus d minus d gets cancelled. D square plus 1 of y is equal to 2 sine t. This is the linear differential equation with constant coefficients. We are all familiar in solving this equation. To solve this equation, first we need to write its auxiliary equation. Its auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0, or m square is equal to minus 1, or m is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. Square root of minus 1 is nothing but I. The roots are complex. Okay, So its complementary function yc is equal to c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Okay, here alpha value is equal to 0, beta value is 1. E power 0 t is 1 or not written. C1 cos beta t, beta means 1t, C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. Particular integral yp is equal to phi of t divided by f of d. Phi of t is 2 sin t divided by f of d is d square plus 1. Okay. It is of the form sin at with a is equal to 1. Replace d square by minus a square means minus 1 square is equal to minus 1. Okay. If I replace d square by minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That is not the particular integral. If denominator equal to 0, then multiply numerator by t, differentiate the denominator. Okay. Here the independent variable is t, so multiply numerator by the independent variable t. 2t sin t divided by d square plus 1 differentiation is 2d. Okay, 2 cancelled. 1 by d is the integral operator. Okay, or else to make this as d square divided and multiply by d. Okay, t into d of sin t divided by d square. Differentiation of sin t is cos t divided by, replace d square by minus 1. Okay, plus divided by minus is minus t cos t is the particular integral. General solution y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is equal to c1 cos t plus c2 sin t minus t cos t. Substitute back for t. T is logarithm of 1 plus x. Y is equal to c1 cos logarithm of 1 plus x plus c2 sin logarithm of 1 plus x minus logarithm of 1 plus x into cos logarithm of 1 plus x, or else x plus 1. Next problem, solve 3x plus 2 whole square into d square y by dx square plus 3 into 3x plus 2 into dy by dx minus 36y is equal to 8x square plus 4x plus 1. Again, this is the second order Legendre linear differential equation. To solve this equation, we need to reduce it to LDE with constant coefficient. For that, okay, we are making a substitution. Put t equal to logarithm of 3x plus 2. In place of ax plus b, here we have 3x plus 2. With a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. Or 3x plus 2 equal to e power t. Or 3x is equal to e power t minus 2. X is equal to e power t minus 2 divided by 3. Through this substitution, we will observe that 3x plus 2 into dy by dx is 3 into dy, a into dy. That is the standard form. Here a value is equal to 3 dy, where d is equal to d by dt. 3x plus 2 whole square, d square y by dx square equal to a square into d minus 1 into y. A means 3 square into d minus 1 into y, where d stands for again d by dt. Put these values into the given equation. It takes the form, okay, 3x plus 2 whole square into d square y by dx square is 9d into d minus 1 into y plus 3 into 3x plus 2 dy by dx is 3 into dy minus 36y equals to 8x square. X is e power t minus 2 by 3 whole square plus 4 into x. X is e power t minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1. Okay, we'll simplify this. 9d square minus 9d plus 3 3s are 9d minus 36 of y is equal to, okay, 3 square is 9 in the denominator, 8 by 9 into numerator is of the form a minus b whole square, a square e power t whole square e power 2t plus b square, 2 square is 4 minus 2ab, 2 into e power t into 2 is 4 e power t plus 4 by 3 into e power t minus 2 plus 1. Okay, minus 90 plus 90 is equal to z, gets cancelled. 9d square minus 36 of y is equal to 8 by 9 into e power 2t plus 8 4s are 32 divided by 9 minus 8 4s are 32 by 9 e power t plus 4 by 3 e power t minus 4 2s are 8 by 3 plus 1. Okay. 9d square minus 36 in those two. Just have taken 9 outside. 9 times d square minus 4 of y is equal to e power 2t term is only one term. 8 by 9 into e power 2t. I have written as it is. Minus 32 by 9 e power t plus 4 by 3 e power t. If I simplify this, 9 is the LCM. Minus 32, 3 4s are 12. Minus 32 plus 12 is minus 20 by 9 e power t plus 32 by 9 minus 8 by 3 plus 1. If I take the LCM and on simplification, it comes out as 11 divided by 9. Okay. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 4 equal to 0 or m square is equal to 4, m is equal to plus or minus square root of 4, nothing but plus or minus 2. The roots are real and distinct, different roots. Plus 2 is one root, minus 2 is the another root. So, complementary function yc is equal to c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus 2t. Particular integral yp is equal to phi of d divided by f of d. Okay, phi of d is, I have taken 90 to this side, 9 9s are 81. 1 by 81 times 8 e power 2t divided by f of d. F of d is d square minus 4 it is. Minus 1 by 9 I have taken outside, 20 e power t divided by d square minus 4. F of d is d square minus 4 plus 11 e power 0 t divided by f of d. F of d is d square minus 4. All the terms are of the form e power 8t. In the first term a is equal to 2, second term a is equal to 1, third term a is equal to 0. To find the particular integral, we need to replace d by a. A means 2 in the first case. If I replace d by 2, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. That is not the particular integral. So, I multiplied numerator by t, differentiate the denominator. 8 e power 2t into t divided by 2d minus, here a is equal to second term, a is equal to 1, replace d by 1. 1 square, 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 20 e power t divided by minus 3 plus 11 e power 0 t divided by, replace d square d by 0. 0 square is 0, minus 4 is minus 4. 1 by 81 into, okay, 2 4s are 4t into e power 2t, replace d by 2, okay, that is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are, actually it is 2 have need to write in the denominator. Minus divided by minus is plus 20 by 3 e power t, plus divided by minus is minus 11 by 4, e power 0 t is 1, okay. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are, it is 2t e power 2t. This is a particular integral. Particular integral is 1 by 81 2t e power 2t plus 20 by 3 e power t minus 11 by 4. General solution, y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function is c1 e power 2t plus c2 e power minus 2t. Particular integral is 1 by 81 into 2t e power 2t plus 20 by 3 e power t minus 11 divided by 4. Okay. Substitute back for t. T is, okay, logarithm of 3x plus 2 it is. Okay. E power t is 3x plus 2. E power t whole square is 3x plus 2 whole square plus c2 into e power t to the power of minus 2, nothing but 1 by e power t whole square. 1 divided by e power t is 3x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by 81, 2, t is logarithm of 3x plus 2, e power 2t is 3x plus 2 whole square plus 20 by 3, e power t is 3x plus 2 minus 11 by 4. That is the required general solution of the given Legendre linear differential equation. One more problem we'll see. Solve 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash minus 6 into 2x plus 1 into y dash plus 16y is equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the second order Legendre linear differential equation. Okay. To solve this equation, we need to reduce it to LDE with constant coefficient. For that, Put t is equal to logarithm of 2x plus 1 or 2x plus 1 is equal to e power t. Through this substitution, 2x plus 1 into y dash is a into dy. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. So 2 dy, where d is equal to d by dt. 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash is 2 square into d minus 1 into y. Put these values into the given differential equation. Equation 1 now takes the form 2x plus 1 whole square y double dash is 2 square 4d into d minus 1 into y minus 6 into 2x plus 1 into y dash is 2 dy plus 16y equal to 8 into 2x plus 1 is e power t whole square. On simplification, 4d square minus 4d minus 6 to the 12d plus 16 of y is equal to 8 into e power t whole square is e power 2t. 4d square minus 4d minus 12d is minus 16d plus 16 of y is equal to 8 into e power 2t. So the auxiliary equation is 4m square minus 16m plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. It is, I find the roots by using the quadratic formula. M is equal to, okay, 4 is common, sorry 2 is common, it is 4 I can divide throughout by m square minus 4 4s minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. M square minus 4m plus 4 nothing but m minus 2 whole square, or else you find the root by using the quadratic formula. Okay. M minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. M is equal to 2 or 2. The roots are real and equal roots, repeated roots. Complementary function yc is equal to c1 plus c2t e power 2t. Particular integral yp is equal to phi of t divided by f of d. Here phi of t is 8 into e power 2t divided by f of d is 4 into d square minus 4d plus 4 it is. Okay. 4 2s are 2 into e 2t divided by d square minus 4d plus 4. It is of the form e power at with a is equal to 2. To find the particular integral, we need to replace d by 2. If I replace d by 2, 2 square is 4 minus 4 to the 8 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. That is not the particular integral. So, multiply numerator by t, differentiate the denominator. 2 into e power 2t into t divided by differentiate the denominator. D square minus 4d plus 4 differentiation is 2d minus 4. Okay. Now, if I replace d by 2, 2 to the 4 minus 4, again it is equal to 0. That is not the particular integral. Once again multiply numerator by 1 more t and differentiate the denominator. 2 into t is t square e power 2t divided by 2d minus 4 differentiation is 2. 2 gets cancelled. T square into e power 2t. That is a required particular integral. Now, general solution equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function is c1 plus c2t e power 2t plus particular integral is t square into e power 2t. Substitute back for t. T is logarithm of 2x plus 1. E power t is 2x plus 1. So, c1 plus c2, t is logarithm of 2x plus 1 into e power 2t. E power t is 2x plus 1. E power 2t is e power t whole square. Hence, it is 2x plus 1 whole square. Plus t is logarithm of 2x plus 1 whole square into e power 2t is 2x plus 1 whole square. This is the complete solution or the general solution of the given Legendre linear differential equation. Okay. That is, Cauchy's and Legendre's equations are one and the same, but in the Cauchy's equation here x is the variable, but in Legendre equation ax plus b is the variable. Okay. I hope you understand how to solve the Legendre linear differential equations. Okay. In the next video, we'll see the problems on the next method. Till that, take care. Bye.